Hey guys, Terry here with Forest Farm Project. We're working on my old house, which is Terry's old house. And where we took the cabinets down, there was caulk here along the ceiling. And over here you can see this is the original sheetrock. Here's where the crown mold was on the cabinets, and you can see the paper that's been exposed because the paint bonded to that sheetrock surface and pulled it off. So as we try to manipulate the sheetrock and get it nice and smooth and do some mudding and whatnot, and we're gonna have to sand. If you sand where this is, it's gonna tear loose. So we're taking some kilts because that's what we've got available. You could use some latex paint, whatever, but kilts is just as good as anything. And we're just basically putting that paint on that paper. It's gonna do two things. It's gonna seal it so that the sheetrock, the moisture in the sheetrock mud doesn't go into the paint, into the wallpaper. And also, any sanding we have to do that gets against this, it's 50 years old. So it's delicate. If we put this paint on here, it's like adding a surface that's gonna make it stronger so that when we sand, it doesn't just tear it up and make it all fuzzy as sheetrock will do. Even new sheetrock will, but old sheetrock, man, you get against it, it really messes up. I gotta add one kind of funny note. My wife said, "Are you guys gonna take all that wood out of the kitchen?" I said, "What wood?" She said, "All that wood on the walls." She saw where this sheetrock had never been painted and it turned brown, and she thought they had put wood on the walls just randomly in the kitchen and then covered it with cabinets. Sheetrock. Well, I hope this quick tip helps someone out. Remember, painting that old paper can give it a stronger surface. That way you can manipulate it without causing as much damage, and check back often.